hairstyles.com. I have Dawson with me. This is Deanna and Travis's guy. And I just wanted to show you guys something that really helps with you know, guys that want to wear their hair more up and long. So obviously when you have it longer, it weighs it down, right? So it's hard for guys to lift it up. So you guys can see, I wanted to show you when I lift it up, see how it just plops down? And I'm just going to show you this for a minute. And it just kind of plops down, okay? See that? Now, I want to show you guys what to do with these texturizing shears through his hair. What it does is it cuts shorter hairs into the hair, so the longer hairs sit on the shorter hairs. And then, anyway, it makes it a lot easier to style and have the lift with it, okay? So, and as you can see, like all of this, you can put your hands through it like this, and it just drops, okay? And then I wanted to show you that because after I put the texture in, I'm going to do that too, and you're going to see how it like stands up more on its own. Okay, so you're obviously not going to come right here on the part. You want to come in from the part and back here. You want to come in a little bit there. Okay, so I'm just going to lift this up, and I'm going to come down, not right by his scalp. I would say 1/2 inch up, 1/4 of an inch probably actually. Okay, and then as I go up, I just go all the way up. I just made a noise, that's fine. Anyway, you just come up through here. And then obviously you want to watch right here. You don't want to like come down here and do it because you're going to have hair that sticks up. Okay. And now, and to know how much to do a little bit first. And then comb out all the hair. And then how you're going to figure out how much to do is how good the hair stays up. Okay, so see before when I went like this and it just plopped? See how this stays up now? Okay, see how this part's falling a little bit? This part's staying up, so that's good right through here because see it just stays up. Right here is decent. Back here is not. Can you see how it's still kind of plopping down? So that's how you know you need a little bit more back through this area. So as soon as it starts staying up, then you're good to go. But if it still plops down, that's when you want to do more. Now, see how that just kind of, sorry Dawson, I just want to show them that's the difference between texture and not having texture. So if anybody's wanting volume, and a lot of people think since they have thin hair that they shouldn't do this because it'll take too much hair out. It won't. You will be okay. It will actually give you more volume to put in some texture. Okay, so I'm going to take the clay. I'm going to just dig my finger in and take about this much. And I'm just going to rub it through my fingers here. So I'm just going to rub it in here good. Okay, I'm going to turn him to the mirror just for a second, just so I can kind of style it. Is that up enough, buddy? Mm-hmm. Okay, so anyway, that helps the hair stay up more, okay, so it doesn't flop down. So anyway, we wanted to get on, show you that little trick on texturizing and how it helps the hair stand up. So anyway, I appreciate you guys watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. And it's so fun seeing you guys. Talk to you later. Thanks.